was taking a bath, long about a Saturday night. Yeah, a rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. When I stepped out the tub, I put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door, and then I splish splash, I jumped back in the bag. No, where was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splashing, feeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, rocking and a rolling. Bing bang, I saw the whole gang dancing on my living room rug. Flip flop, they was doing the bop. All the teens had the dancing bug. There was a lollipop with a Peggy Sue, good golly, Miss Molly was even there too. Oh well, splish splash, I forgot about the bath. I went and put my dancing shoes on